Continuing with the order management feature. First step, we need to create a script file named Order Management. Then, step second is to deploy the created code so that it works on the internet. The steps are 100% the same as you did in the section on creating and deploying the product management code. Start by creating the one order management code file. Return to the Setup Store Google Apps Script Tool interface. There is an order management section. This will be the interface we will work with. In this section, you will need to fill in your store information. This information will appear in the order confirmation email sent to customers when they successfully place an order on your store page. First, fill in the store name, for example, My Store. Next, fill in contact information such as address, email, phone number, etc. Next, fill in the currency unit, example, Vietnam Dong. Then, fill in the Google Sheet ID order management in the corresponding information field. Open the order management file in Google Sheets. In the browser's address bar, you'll find a link. It will contain the Google Sheet ID of the file. Copy this string of characters. Note that you only need to copy the part of the string between the letter D, slash, and slash edit. Carefully observe the on-screen operation. Reopen the Setup Store Tool interface. Paste the file ID into the corresponding information field. Next, click the Generate Script button, and the tool will automatically generate the code file for you. It will only take a second, and a success message will appear on the screen. Click OK to close. You have now successfully created the code file to manage order information. After the creation of the app script product management code, the results will show the folder path containing this code file on your computer. We'll be back to this interface window, so don't close it yet. Let's start deploying this code so it works. Go back to the Google Sheet Order Management file interface. Click on Extension. Click on App Script. In the Apps Script window, in Order Management term, on the right side, there will be a blank page. This is where you will paste the code. Go back to the Setup Store interface window and click the Copy Code in File button. This allows you to quickly copy the contents of the code file. After copying the code, go back to the App Script window and paste the code into the blank text editor. Then click Save. After saving, click Deploy. Then click New Deployment. The New Deployment window will open. Click on the gear icon and select Web App. A new window will then open. Here you will find several detailed information fields, such as a brief description of this deployment. Here you can add any notes for easier management. This field is not mandatory. Go to the web app, Execute as section, select Me, followed by your store's email address. This means only users with this email address can execute the code. Next is Who has access. Select anyone, then click Deploy. A window will appear. Google will ask you to grant permissions according to Google's privacy policy. Click Authorize Access. The next window asks you to select an email address. Choose your store's email address. Another window will open. Click Advanced. Then click Go to Order Management. Scroll down and click Continue. A new window will appear. Here, you will find the permissions that need to be confirmed for the code to run. Scroll down to see the detailed list of permissions that require your approval. First, you need permission to read, write, and edit the Google Sheet file. Second, you need permission to connect to external services. Specifically, in this case, AppSheet will allow you to manage your store on your phone. We'll discuss how to do this later, specifically in setting up the store. And third, you need permission to send emails. The code will need this permission to send order confirmation emails when a customer successfully places an order. Select All to grant permission. Then scroll down and click Continue. A success notification window will appear. In this window, you can see that the system has automatically assigned a deployment ID. You can understand that. If the order management code is the employee managing order information, then the deployment ID is the employee's code number. Google will manage this code based on this deployment ID. And we will use this deployment ID in the next step. Note that if you update the code, you will also need to redeploy it to get a new deployment ID. Okay, you have successfully deployed the order management code to manage order information. Click Done to close this window. We will return to this app's script window later. For now, please close it temporarily. Complete the creation and deployment of order information management code.